Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Yard Abroad with Erica. So guys, today just come along with me as I'm seasoning up some drumstick. So guys, right here, see I'm taking off the skin off the drumstick, guys. So when I cook meat, guys, I make sure I take off all the fat. I make sure my meat is very lean. No fat must not be on my meat because I don't like to taste fat in my mouth. So right here, guys, I'm taking off all the fats, all the skin off of my meat. So I'm just gonna do this and season up my meat and put it in my fridge to marinate overnight. So guys, this is a teaching video just to show how I season up my chicken when I'm gonna cook. So guys, right here you see I'm cutting off all the extra fats of the chicken, guys. So just watch the process, guys, as I do this chicken, guys. Me have fish on my mind. Chicken, guys, chicken. So just watch the process, guys, as I do this. Yes guys, thank you so much for those who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please comment, subscribe and share for future subscribers. And if you come across this video, guys, just subscribe, comment and help me to grow my channel, guys. Help me by just subscribing. Put your notification bell on so whenever time I upload a video you will be the first to receive it. So guys, what I'm gonna use, I think in this video I use vinegar. I think I use vinegar to wash the chicken, guys. When I get to learn that vinegar is not an ideal thing to wash chicken. It's better to use some lime or lemon. And some countries they use flour to wash their chicken. But for me, from Jamaica, I like to wash my chicken with lime or lemon or vinegar. But now that I learned that vinegar is not an ideal thing to wash chicken, I think I'm gonna stick to lemon or lime. That if I have it, because guys, say it's more easier to get the vinegar. It's more easier to have vinegar. When you have a big bottle of vinegar, you don't have to worry about it spoiling, and so it's more easier to use the vinegar to wash the chicken. Wherein I think I might still wash my chicken with vinegar. I'm just gonna reduce the amount of vinegar I use to wash my chicken, because usually, guys, when I wash my chicken I use so much vinegar. But now I know that I could still wash my chicken with vinegar, but I'm gonna use less vinegar. So if you wash the chicken with vinegar, guys, don't use a lot of vinegar, because I get to understand vinegar kind of make your food cook. It kind of cook it. Why, I don't know. So to reduce that problem, use less vinegar. And if you want to use lemon and lime to wash your chicken, ideal thing to use. So guys, right here as you see, I'm trying to take off the drumstick, the skin off the drumstick, guys. Sometimes you see right there, guys, this still vinegar I'm using. So when you get this huge buckle, you know what months this one buckle lasts me for. So guys, I take off all the skin, and see guys, this is what I'm talking about. You see how much vinegar I pour in that? I didn't need all of that, but as I said, I learned. The older I get, the more I learn. And so right here, see, I using, what is that, guys? I think this is orange, no, is this an orange? Guys, this look like one orange me peel. Yes man, this definitely is an orange. Who said I have to go the traditional way? I don't have to go the traditional way, because to tell you the truth, I didn't have vinegar the other day and I have oranges, and I just use some orange juice to wash my chicken. So it's okay, you can use orange too. Use what you have. When I was growing up in Jamaica, they said turn your hand and make fashion. Right here I'm turning my hand and make fashion. If I didn't have any lemon or lime and I was washing the chicken with just vinegar, and sometimes I like to use both vinegar and lime or lemon to wash my chicken. So right here, guys, you see I'm still picking off, guys. Oh guys, I always pick off all the fat. And so guys, to make sure your meat well seasoned and the seasoning soak in the meat, soak down to the bone, I always cut the chicken leg a couple of times. So when I season it up, it soak all the season just soak inside the chicken and soak inside the bone. So guys, this is how the two iguanas. See guys, I'm still finding fat to cut off, guys. Still finding fat to cut off after I clean off all the fat. So guys, you know that this meat I have no fat on it. I clean off everything, because guys, I don't like to eat my meat and feel something funny in my mouth. So guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. Please continue to subscribe, comment, share, and like up the channel, guys, and help me to grow my channel, man. For you Jamaican, help a fellow Jamaican to grow her channel. And Mr. Cola Simit, if you should come across this video, don't forget to like up the channel. Yes, man, help your sister from down a yard to boost our channel abroad. Yes. And for those of you who watch my videos before, I understand that I keep changing the channel name, because guys, I wasn't so satisfied with the name that I had before, and so I finally get a name that I like, and I shall stick to that name. And guys, so watch the process. See, I'm picking off every fat I find, I cut off it. Yes, guys, because all them fat is not good for we, you know, we artery. Yes, them so fat not good for we, guys. So let's cut out all the fat out of our meat. And see, guys, you see, I'm going through the chicken and I'm cutting, because I want this meat to soak well. So when I put it in the oven, it's gonna come out so nice. Nice, well seasoned. And I have my gloves, guys. I don't usually cook with gloves, you know, but I don't know, the chicken was somewhat still frozen, so that's why I put on my gloves to help pull off the fat, because sometimes you're taking off the skin off the drumstick, it is so hard, it slip out your hand. So with the gloves on, it was more easy for me to grip the chicken, the fat or the skin, and pull it off. So yes, guys, so thank you so much, guys. Back to say thank you so much. I appreciate your help to grow my channel. For all my 170 subscribers, thank you for subscribing, guys. If you ever come across my video, would you drop in the comment section which time of the day is best to upload my videos? I'm gonna try to start upload my videos at 7 p.m. in the evening. 7 p.m. I think I'm gonna go for 6 p.m. in the evening. Yes, I'm gonna start trying to upload my videos for 6 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. in the evening, abroad time, the time over abroad. Guys, I'm trying to be funny. Yes, man. And so right here, you see, I'm putting my water, some cold water to wash down the chicken. Yes, guys, rubbing the vinegar, rubbing the orange, and make sure so the chicken nice and washed good, so that when you're done, you don't smell no rawness coming from the chicken. Once you do all of that, you let your chicken soak for a couple minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. But sometimes, guys, I don't have the time to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, so I make sure I just wash down things good. It's like how I'm rubbing in everything, so it wash off it well and proper. Some people soak their meat for a while, but I try to soak it a little bit, and then I just go back and just wash off everything. Wash it 1 time, 2 times. Yeah, man, I usually wash it at least 2 times to make sure that everything clean off of it. Guys, you can't tell me what's going on today. Now I come back with some lemon to give the chicken a second wash. I don't know. I think I was in a good mood. I think I'm in a good mood washing this chicken, guys. By the time I don't cook this chicken, guys, if you smell this chicken and it smell raw, you better say something wrong with the lime or the lemon, the orange, and the vinegar, because I wash this chicken so good. Man, you think the Prime Minister was coming over for dinner? The amount of time I spent washing this chicken with orange and vinegar and lemon. But guys, it's okay to wash it and wash it, because I don't want a raw smell on my chicken, guys. Yes, man. So you know, you can't, you don't have to go the traditional way when you're doing your cooking. Do it the way you do it. Even when I'm Jamaican, I still do my thing. I don't follow traditional way when I'm cooking. I just go along with what is in my head. If I want a lot of season, I put a lot of season. If I want to wash with lemon and lime and vinegar and orange, I do that, because guys, I love to experiment with different things. When I say different things, I mean food. When I'm cooking, I like to experiment to see how things would come out if I don't do the traditional way. And so, guys, right here you can tell that the meat is well washed with that vinegar, lemon and orange. So right here I have some bell pepper and some tomato in my blender. So I'm just gonna blend it, and you can see, oh, it look red, guys. I put some annatto. Yes, I love to cook with annatto oil, so I infuse annatto oil. And so guys, I have some annatto inside the tomato, with the tomato. So I'm just gonna pour it over my chicken. Yes, and I have some onion. Yes guys, I'm cleaning up while I'm washing, guys. That's another thing. So right there you see I'm putting a little pimento. Yes, we have pimento, but parsley. Yes, that's home dry parsley. I home dried my parsley to cook in my food, guys. So right here I'm putting parsley, whatever time. I'm putting all kind of different herb, guys. I have all these different herb that I keep home. And so this is some brisket rub, guys. I put in all my powder season them one time, some browning, guys. You know, so I shouldn't have put the browning in there, but hey, it came out just nice. It come out fine still, but I should have waited until the next day to put the browning, and maybe I didn't need the browning. But anyway, that's one I traditional with. Here you go with some tomato paste, guys. You know, say I have that tomato paste in my fridge and it rotten. It spoil grow things. But after, not right now, but after that, I realized that after I cook, another day I try to use it and it is spoiled. I have to throw it out. That's why I'm keeping everything in my freezer. That is why you should keep your stuff in the freezer, so nothing go spoil. And so right here I have some purple onion. So I have bell pepper, purple onion, blend up everything right here and then put it on the meat. So guys, this is a video of mix up, you know, seasoning my chicken, and also I have some coconut that I'm gonna cut up to keep in my freezer. Guys, I'm a freezer queen, you know. I keep everything in my freezer because food is too expensive. I cannot afford to waste anything. So right here, guys, you see how brown this come out? This is why I said I shouldn't have put the brown in, but that's okay. It came out okay, and I keep it in the fridge. The leftover, I did keep the leftover in my freezer. Did I keep it in the freezer? No, I keep it in the fridge and I use it for future use. Yes, I continue using it, like when I'm cooking up anything else, I use it. Because I didn't use all of that, that was a lot. So I just use it, and now I'm putting my little paprika. Yes guys, I'm putting paprika. Yes guys, just watch the thing. Watch the thing. Some garlic powder. Even though I put garlic powder already, but I'm putting some more powder. Oh, mercy guys, there's some more garlic powder I'm putting in the thing. Whoa, this chicken gonna taste so good. It did taste good. So right here I have some powder season I get from down a yard. Yes, my brother brings some powder season from Jamaica for me and I'm using it. And I have some onion powder. Yes, I'm putting some onion powder, some cayenne pepper, guys. Be careful with cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper hot like our. So just don't put too much. But it's good to put a little cayenne pepper, give it a nice little tangy taste. And right here, guys, I'm just rubbing in all the season, guys. Just rubbing in the season, guys. I'm rubbing in the season like I'm kneading flour. But that's alright because I want the season to really go down in all them part that I cut. All the spot that I cut out, guys, in the chicken, all those little mark I'm making the chicken, I want the seasons to go down in there, guys. So that's why I make sure I keep my gloves on so I can rub it in, guys. And once I rub in all your season, guys, I'm gonna transfer this into a different bowl because I'm gonna cover this up, guys. So right here, guys, I wanna make sure say put enough powder seasoning because I don't use salt in my meat, guys. No, I don't use salt in my meat. I use just the powder seasoning. For the powder season already have salt, and because it already has salt, you don't need to add no extra salt unless you're planning to salt the chicken. And so because I am not planning to salt the chicken, I just put enough powder season and green season or fresh season to give it a nice flavor. So right there, guys, didn't that look good? It not even cooked good yet, and it looks so good. So guys, right here is another bowl. I'm gonna transfer everything in this bowl, and then I'm gonna cover it up in my fridge so it can marinate for the next day. And that's what I did. I marinated, and the next day I think my son cooked the next day, so I just do everything and my son cook it for me the following day, because you know, at least it give him a chance not to do all the seasoning and if he was gonna season it up, he wouldn't spend all this time with orange and all of them things to season it up. So the fact that I did it myself was perfect. So he did the rest by cooking it the next day. He put it in the air fryer, guys. Yes, that's true. He did put it in the air fryer, and he did put some barbecue sauce and stuff on it to make it come out nice. Yes, and we did have it with salad. So guys, as I say, if you're still watching the video, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe and share, and put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video you will receive it. Guys, I don't know if you like my voice, because my voice is so quiet. My voice, I don't talk loud unless somebody peeve me off, and so right now I have no reason to talk loud, and so that's why my voice is so nice and calm. So if you like nice calm voiceover, nice calm cooking without no excitement, this is the place for you. So see right here, guys, I put some file paper over my pan, over the bowl. So I'm just putting the file paper around the bowl so that all that niceness can stay inside the bowl, guys. Yes, 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 that's how your thing go. So guys, if you try this, let me know, let me know. So right here, guys, I'm gonna take off my gloves, and the rest of the season that I have left over, I am going to put it right in this jar, not a plastic bag, jar, glass jar, guys. I am also a recycle queen. So like when my kids them buy the little sauce dip or whatever into these container jars, I always save them to use. Instead of go outside go buy mason jar, why should I go buy mason jar, guys, when I can use these containers that I bought from the store and reuse them? We pay for them, so we can reuse them and protect the environment, instead of always throwing out stuff to go in the garbage and landfill get packed up with all kind of thing, because we don't want to reuse anything. So we're right here, guys, I reuse this jar and save some, you know, the refill, you know, save the hurt a little bit from all this extra stuff. So I keep the rest of sauce in my fridge and I use it to cook. So if I have to cook up some fish or whatever I'm cooking, I will use it for that purpose. So there you go, guys. For the next couple of times I cook, I didn't have to cut up season, because I already have the season cut up. All I have to do is pull it out my fridge and season up my meat. Right, guys? Alright, guys. Right. So guys, don't forget to put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video you will get that video. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time.